Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you for clicking on my video, watching, subscribing, commenting, sharing. I'm so grateful. So today I'll take you through how to withdraw your Worldcoin from your Binance app to Mpesa. Please learn to do things for yourself. Stop sending your coins to people to do the withdrawal for you. Yeah, you guys, we do make a lot of money from you people. We do take a big percentage of your money. So please try and learn how to do it for yourself. After this video, trust me, I'm going to charge more here. Imagine learning it is only 30 minutes and you'll be done, and you can even also make money from those friends of yours who still don't know how to do it. But please learn to do it for yourself. But don't be scared. If you'll be unable to do it after watching this video, still I'll be glad to help you, but I charge a small fee. Yeah, I charge. It's not for free. That's my business. Even though I'm ruining it by creating this video, somebody might gain something from it. So please remember to subscribe to my channel to support me. I've lost one of my businesses. It's okay. Remember to support me by subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting something good. Yeah, I teach people how to do stuff and how to make some money online. And without wasting time, guys, let's get into the video. Welcome back, guys. When you go after depositing the Worldcoins to Binance, you'll go to wallets. When you go to wallet, you'll see the amount will be displayed. It depends. I chose it in Kenyan shillings. You can change it to USDT, but I prefer it in Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so to transfer them to your Mpesa, this money after depositing goes to the spot wallet. Yeah, but the funding wallet has 0 shillings. So I have to transfer this money from the spot wallet to the funding wallet. Something really quick before transferring the Worldcoin app to the funding wallet, you have to convert it to money, like from crypto to something like money. So you'll go back to home and type on the search bar convert search this one here. So I need to convert this Worldcoin. You can't withdraw Worldcoin, you have to withdraw money. It's not money. Crypto is I think it's an asset, maybe. I don't know. So I'll click maximum and convert. Preview convert. So we have 21.21 USDT. So you go back, then go to wallet down here, then go to spot wallet. It will still be there. Go to funding wallet. There's no money still, so go to spot wallet and click transfer, then click maximum, then confirm transfer. It's not yet. You'll see this. So guys, I'll have to wait for at least 10 more minutes so that it can be transferred. Yeah, so guys, let's try to transfer it to the funding wallet so that we can sell it to get money on our Mpesa. Transfer, click transfer. I want all the money, so I'll just click maximum. But if you have more than this and you only want let's say $20, you'll just write 20, but I want all the money. Yeah, so I'll click maximum and confirm transfer. It has it is accepted, and click OK. So after that, guys, go back to home and type in P2P, P2P, this one here. Click. So after getting to P2P, click sell, and make sure you change the payment method. Make sure you change the payment method. If you don't change, they'll give you airtime. Airtime isn't money. You will be given airtime. So please try and change it to Mpesa Kenya. Mpesa Kenya Safaricom. Click that and confirm. Then let's look for a range. Let's look for a buyer who has a range that we fall in. I don't have 40,000 Kenyan shillings. I only have 2,500 and above. Yeah, so let's look for someone who can favor us. Scroll down till you find somebody who favors your value, your money value, your pocket value, whatever. As long as you have understood what I mean, don't worry. Scroll down. There must be someone. Guys, learn to do things for yourself. Stop sending these coins to people. For real, I'll charge more after this video. So I found somebody. I'll click all and click no, I don't want this person, since his man, you see, his maximum, okay, his limit is 7 to this, but he doesn't have all the money that I want, so I'll have to look for somebody else. Scroll down, we have found somebody. That one has been updated. Choose this one. Updated. Choose this one. Updated. Where? No, choose this one. Yeah, at least he has enough. Confirm. I'll just click all. Confirm. I already chose the payment method. This one here. Then click sell. A quick thing, guys, remember to always wait till you see the pop-up message from Mpesa, not from the bank, before clicking payment received. So we'll just have to wait till we see money on my Mpesa, then I'll click payment received. Disclaimer: make sure you don't click payment received before receiving money, since that money will be sent to that person and you'll get nothing. So be careful. We can navigate through the wherever if as we wait for the money. You can just see through. So I'll have to wait till I see money on my Mpesa, then I'll accept and leave the site. So guys, I'll come back after the money is on my Mpesa. Bye guys. I can't forego my business for you, and you don't subscribe. Please subscribe. Help me get to 200 subscribers. I'll be so grateful. Subscribe, please subscribe. So guys, it has been said this person has sent money. So let's confirm from this message you have received from iBank. I am bank, wherever, man. Yeah, so let's go back to to the app. You have to click payment received to avoid him from being delayed for other transactions. Try and be quick, juu ni biashara, he's at work. So click payment received, then read received payments in your account ? So I'll choose yes, I have verified that the payment of this has been received from Michael Simiyu Mkenya. So click this here, then confirm release and wait for some time. So guys, I need to write the verification code sent to me to my email, then I'll be done. Don't worry about the too much messages, bear with me. It's 369287. 369287. Then I'm done. Later, I'm now done. So guys, the process is complete, and bye till meet next time on my next upload. Learn to do things for yourself. Anybody who's coming on my DM for me to help him or her do the transaction, let me tell you, Maina, I'll charge you. I'm not lying, I'll charge you. Because you just have to stop being lazy and learn to do things for yourself, because these things are just easy but people are just lazy. Learn to do things for yourself. It's very important. Learn to do things for yourself. Yeah, you can use YouTube if you don't know any person who can help you learn. Even let's say maybe I teach it poorly, you can look for somebody else teach you on YouTube. Yeah, but I know I've tried my best. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I teach about how to do things and how to make money online. So guys, bye till we meet next time on my next upload. I'm very sorry for being harsh today. I love you all. Bye. Thank you guys for staying till this far. Till we meet next time on my next upload, and I hope you learned something from the video. So bye till we meet next time on my next upload.